Hey, what's up people? Welcome back to another Minecraft video. And today I'm here with Unflammable Gaming.
Yeah.
Go check out his YouTube channel for videos like this. And we're gonna start now.
Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel, and we have a friend here that is. Make sure to check out his channel and subscribe to his videos.
And subscribe to his videos.
So let's get started.
Also,
Get some
this is the episode 1 of our co-op survival.
Yep.
This is a multiplayer, so we're gonna work as a team in this
Sorry for the
survival.
lag.
Yeah, we're so laggy when we record. Oh, lag.
We are Filipino. We are Filipino.
I'm sorry guys for the notifications. It always pops up in my recording. Oh, it's so lag.
So let's get some wood.
Okay, I'm gonna make a crafting bench or crafting table. And I'm gonna craft.
Oh, take my wood.
No, I didn't. You gave me your wood.
So let's make some after this.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry for the lag. Oh,
Oh, it's so
I
laggy.
need craft. I need a crafting table.
I'm gonna go get 20 wood or 30, I guess, for our house or for my house.
Yes, I'm gonna build my own house, guys. The mountain, yes. I need to store. Where are you?
Oh, I'm lost. Oh, here.
Get inside
Find me,
wood.
find me, find me. Hey guys, if you think that we're gonna finish this series, smash that like button for Unflammable Gaming and for me.
Yes.
And if you want
More.
more videos like this, subscribe and comment down below what do you want for us to do in the next episode.
Sorry for that sound.
Sorry for that sound, cause that's our
You know.
you know. But guys, comment down below what do you want us to do in the next episode. For this episode, we're gonna make our house, or I mean shelter for the night. And if you think that we're gonna survive this night, smash that like button and subscribe.
Yeah. Yeah.
Again guys, sorry for the lag,
Yeah.
it's because the recording, oh, it's so laggy.
Oh. Who's
Oh,
that?
who's that?
Ah,
Lag,
I'm gonna check.
ano yan? Lag.
I'm gonna kill him.
Kill him, kill him, kill him, kill him,
No,
kill
kill
him,
him.
kill him, kill him,
Kill him.
kill him, kill him,
I will kill him.
kill him, kill him. Go, 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 go.
Go get him.
We're gonna kill this hacker
Yes.
hacker here. We're
By the
gonna
way,
kill
guys,
this.
it's
It's our friend,
Craft Gamer.
yeah, Craft Gamer.
What are you doing here?
And he's now scared of
I'm gonna stop this video, guys. Just little bit. I'm gonna visit my friend.
guys, his Unflammable Gaming will visit our friend and will say that he's gonna stop what he is doing. So I'm gonna build my house now.
So guys, I'm back, right?
Yes, now my friend is back.
So I'm gonna
So-
make my house.
Yeah, me too. Cause it's hard to live in Minecraft if you don't have a shelter or anything to protect yourself.
Can I live in your house first?
Okay, it's fine, it's fine.
I don't want to make
But
in my first day.
you need to
What?
pay for rent.
Okay.
1 wood per day in this
Oakwood plant?
no
Okay.
oak wood,
Okay.
not oak wood plank.
Okay. Little bit small.
Yeah, I'm sorry for that. Cause
That's the only.
I thought the first that I'm the only one will live in this house. So sorry for small area, small size of house.
I'm gonna make my room.
Okay, it's fine.
Oh. So, sorry for that, guys. I'm gonna stay in.
It's okay to make another room beside my house because we are a team.
Okay. Thank you.
Guys, sorry for a small house, but this is just a starter house, so we're gonna in the further episodes we're gonna build a mansion, I think.
Mansion.
Yeah, mansion.
Very hard to do. Very hard to do.
It is hard to do, but we're gonna make it.
Yeah.
If you smash that like button.
And comment down below.
Yeah.
And the most important thing is to subscribe.
Yeah. Guys, we're just new YouTubers here,
Yes.
and if you subscribe, we are happy.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
You're gonna make us happy.
Wait, guys.
I'm sorry guys if I'm not gonna end this house for today, but I'm gonna make sure that I can.
Ma, pwede ito kanin.
I'm gonna start digging down.
Oh my god.
What?
Sorry
Why?
for that.
What?
Guys,
Oh my god. It's so
Very
dark in
nice.
here.
I don't
I'm
have
gonna-
any stone.
I'm gonna need stone. But I don't have. Oh gosh. Gosh. I can't see anything. I'm just mining stone.
I need a stone.
Oh, unspeakable, unflammable gaming.
What?
Oh, no, never mind. I thought you were in my house, so no.
I just make a room.
Our our friend don't have a house, the hacker friend.
Yes.
So
Craft
he's
gamers.
just gonna get hungry.
Soon he will make a really. Oh.
Poor friend.
Our friend, our little bit friend.
Our friend just
He
died.
died.
Oh! I fell in a cave! No!
Oh my.
No. This is not happening.
I'm not gonna believe.
No, he's gonna enter our house. No. Stay away.
Where are you?
The zombie is lagging.
I'm
He left the game. Poor hacker.
So this is this house.
Guys, we're gonna end this video here.
Yes.
And
Because
if
it's
you
so long.
think that, I got a potato.
Okay.
So guys, we're gonna end this video here. So bye guys.